the outside used to look like.
I got more tea bags. Yeah, I don't do cat. Oh, doctor. Parts. Extra small hands.
So these actually stick past.
Okay. Yeah.
And they actually lock into this piece.
Okay.
So even if you take the screws out, you can't take the tank off. You got to take these spacers out.
Okay.
It's still on it. I would put the tank up here.
Any advantage to removing it?
Just clutter, you know. It's got a little bit of soot left from the fire.
Properly, there's no damage.
Just a little bit. It was all dark, just completely burnt right there.
Yeah.
That's why it's heavy. It still got gas in it.
Canister is if you. We've done a couple K&Ns and a couple BMCs, but no.
I got a K&N at home if you want it.
It just shut down.
Why not? If you're not using it.
It's dirty.
No, I'm not. Jay, they gotta charge you extra.
Like I'm on camera.
Disgusting grossness next.
Candy filter.
This one leaves, debris.
Didn't you want a dry clutch?
Got it. You got it?
Did it turn?
That's how we fix bikes, man, with our drill. This is why we're called drill.
We'll fix that.
How many drill guys? How many drill guys have
Get one mirror.
to remove a mirror or a screw? How many drill
Give me my
guys?
drink.
Is that left side mirror?
Hold my drink. Hold my drink with a famous. Wait. So the cheat.
It's almost like the
There's a thing.
like the dot 4 fluid got on there.
Yeah, maintenance.
Screws back in.
I bring it here for maintenance. What are you talking about? Maintain the brakes.
Y cuando malo se despierta.
One. You want to hit that other one?
Yeah. That's why it bugs me. Like I've been dealing with these intake for this bike was fucking garbage.
Tail section. We're replacing it with the carbon one, right? For $10,000.
Aaron, what is this service? 3 grand?
No, it's.
Do that.
Do you put any grease on it?
Oh yeah, that's what I'm taking off now. I'm taking off the old grease.
You have to clean it.
No problem.
Let's go see.
It's fine, not that.
Let's go. Now we need to get the torch and like on. Cool,
Oh,
hot,
no
cool,
more
hot, cool,
fire.
hot.
No more fire. Doesn't sit in the living room.
Yeah.
Is this all? Nothing else over here needs to come loose? Did I get everything? That's the secret to the exhaust. Just keep wiggling.
You gotta loosen all the rust.
It's disgusting chocolate. Look how thick it is.
And I have an ultrasonic cleaner too for the little stuff.
Mate, don't get me started. I don't want to go.
That's right. Oh yeah, he has them in his
And this one's also a ground, so make sure you hook those wires back up when they go back together.
Liquid cooled my butt. I mean, this thing is.
That's the original.
Cocktails in 3 minutes.
You get What's that?
The way I'm doing it is not
Here's my mind.
easy.
Everybody grab.
Then I'm looking at.
Oh, where are the Q-tips, right? Where are the Q-tips?
Everybody said get a
in
brush.
my garage.
That's not gonna happen.
Aaron is like, we don't need to do anything on this bike. It's so clean. You need a board. Yeah, I do.
I'm getting a new exhaust pedal.
Sponsored by Chain Music.
Holy crap. What are you doing up there? What are we doing up there? I told you, man. The guys were like, come in. You are not the father.
That's clean, right?
That looks clean there.
Nike, Fali.
You gotta run it. You gotta check the real line.
Now all we have is an engine and a clean chain. Well, okay, some forks.
That's it. I'll fill that.
It doesn't even look like Jay's bike anymore.
That's just the cover, right?
He's taking off the spark plug.
Oh, the spark plug is in there.
One of two.
Strip.
Just take another spark plug and jam it in there. Right. Is it magnet?
I got a little magnet if it.
Not a spark plug, right?
The electrode in the middle is like a dome instead of a square edge.
Oh, this.
Those things snap very easy.
First you hammer, then you drill. That's just a cover.
The true moment. The moment you all been waiting for. Let's see how many gremlins are inside.
Let's get to the top one.
It's a special Italian tool. Oh, magic.
What's that dripping out of there?
It's not. It's not.
Harmony. It's soot.
We're in. We're in.
Ew.
We're
You mean there's
in.
no dirt in there?
Not yet.
Oh, I missed a spot.
That's what it looks like. One of those moments.
There's that special tool again. That's it? Ah.
And it's not even dry.
Oh, I can fix that. The others, doesn't so. Hey, somebody put fingerprints on the fourth part that was clean.
Son of a.
Leading the witness. Looks really low. See, like I'm used to the earlier ones that don't have that play. That
Yeah.
it's, you know, it's very
Yeah,
sealed
they're
and
using
tight.
this
Okay.
to center
Oh,
it.
is there another seal or anything in there? Like a little rubber
No.
seal, baton or something?
Nope. Well, this is a wet clutch, so it doesn't need the seal. The only seal on this will be on the other end of the push
Oh, because of the
curve plate. Oh, the curve like metal plate.
Not a gearbox.
usually when it doesn't shift is usually because your stack height's too high, but usually as you wear it gets thinner. So when I switched it to
You want this tool? Check him out.
I don't know.
This is awesome. I gotta bring this over now.
It stopped shifting when I was in traffic and I couldn't
Need,
Outside facing this way, though.
Yeah, facing out. Yeah, facing out. I don't need this. We're switching to when I was.
You said .02?
It could be too old, too dry, too crusted. Right here. Just grab a hammer.
Yeah, right?
take that baffle out? Yeah.
But was it tearing?
It pulls that pressure plate in and squeezes those springs and then kisses them all together. So you ever notice like
It's moving. Put the video on that.
Okay.
Turn it,
Or
turn
do
it.
you want me to?
Yeah, keep it. Oh, it's moving.
You can hear it breathing.
Oh wow.
See
All right,
all
let's
the-
measure.
That's
see
pretty
all
cool.
the
Look at
valves
that.
moving.
That's so neat.
Which
That
should it be?
is. That is art. That is pure art, man.
Which one?
Pure Ducati. Pure
That big of a
Half of it. So you just bump up next size.
It's that crazy.
That's a lot just to get that to stick
Just
in
to
there.
get that to stick in there. That's pretty amazing.
I mean, big.
Whether the cam's got to come out or not.
I'm erect.
Easy now.
still fits.
He's standing behind.
You're still there. You're standing behind there. Anybody else feel that? Right?
I felt it.
Working in and out.
Oh, not the prison.
It's too loose. Jim, not that close. Stay away from air.
That's only the one head though. Unfortunately.
And you bought it with how many miles?
5.
It was actually on fire when you bought it.
It's a fire sale, right? It's a fire sale.
Fire sale!
I'll take this one. Throw dirt on it. Just throw dirt on it. Throw dirt.
He left and he was smoking.
Should have that playing over the loudspeaker.
No, because that don't scare the customers.
Watch your head squirt. Oh boy.
Oh boy. That shouldn't just
Parts are
happen.
falling off. Yeah. Oh man.
Wait.
It's when you see those parts, when you crash, you see shit like this flying.
Is this important?
Yeah, right.
That's right.
Like that looks expensive. Shiny.
Got his hip shin. Oh, that's a good view. It's proprietary.
Explain it.
About the
Explain it
tensioner
again.
spring, so it doesn't create valve
yeah,
float.
the tensioner springs are only there to keep the valve from chattering against the head. It's not there to keep it closed. You know, it's not there to do the closing. The cam and the rocker arm is doing the closing. It's there just to prevent valve
Make sure it
flutter
gets
against the
against
head.
it. Yep.
It's under there.
Technically, that's not effective.
I'm like this, I can hear see this.
I'd be afraid.
But I've
So you got a way to go before you get to this stage.
you got time.
Give it to me. I'll put some miles on it for you.
That's what you got.
Make it dirty. Don't give it to me.
Put some miles and then put some power in it. But what is it with you and the fighter? I'm not really getting this. I hear you.
So what did you use to clean the exhaust?
Drink it?
Sure.
No, you
Oh yeah, I'll drink it.
Oh, never mind that.
Oh no. Oh yeah.
Slowly,
That on my
slowly.
gold chain.
Now it's a Russian bike.
You sure it's not gonna catch?